OMG, I cannot wait to share this with you. So right now, there is a brand new AI side hustle that some people are using to make about $2,500 per week. And the crazy part is, most people have never even heard of it. So let me tell you what you do not need for this. You don't need a camera. You do not need a photography studio. You don't even need experience. And you definitely do not need to be a photographer to do this. But once you understand how this works, you will start seeing this opportunity everywhere, I guarantee it. So let me explain what is happening. So the business is called an AI digital branding photographer. Now, before you think I'm not a photographer, this is actually the point that I'm trying to make to y'all. So you do not need to be one at all. Right now, people are paying hundreds of dollars for professional headshots. They use them for LinkedIn profiles, business websites, social media profiles, even dating profiles. Now, these are professional photos and professional branding. Now, they are going to be extremely valuable today. Now, here's the problem. A real photo shoot can cost anywhere from $300 to $2,000. You're going to need a photographer. You need a studio. You need lighting equipment. Sometimes wardrobe styling. Sometimes even a makeup artist. So the cost becomes expensive very, very quickly. But AI just changed the game, y'all. Now, someone can take a simple selfie from their phone and turn it into a professional studio, a quality photo, I'm telling you. And in many cases, the results look like they were taken in a $5,000 photography studio. Now, that is why this side hustle is blowing up right now. Because when people see these transformations online, they immediately want the same thing. Now, here's the thing, and this is where it gets interesting. Now, the people making the most money doing this are not even photographers. They are people who simply understand how to use AI properly. And that starts with something called prompting. Now, most beginners make the same mistake. They type something simple like, create a professional headshot, and the results usually look fake. This is because AI needs very specific instructions. You have to describe the image almost like a photographer would. Now, for example, instead of saying professional background, you might say a dark espresso studio backdrop, a subtle texture, right? Instead of saying good lighting, you might say soft portrait. You kind of get what I'm kind of saying? So let's say a soft portrait, lighting with natural shadows and warm highlights. So you can even describe clothing, okay? For example, let me put y'all on game. A cream linen blazer with sharp lapels and gold button details. So the more specific the description is, the more realistic the results become. Now, some creators even include camera settings. So something like shot on a Sony A7R camera with an 85mm portrait lens. Now, when you combine all those details together, the final images can look almost identical to the real studio photography. I'm trying to tell y'all, gotta get up on this. Now, once you understand how to generate these images, the next step is creating your package. Because you are not selling just one photo, okay? Not just that one photo. You are going to be selling a branding upgrade to these individuals. For example, you could offer a basic package with 5 professional photos for $50. You could do a premium package with 10 photos for $99. Then you can do something like a VIP package with 20 photos for $199. Now, when people realize they can get professional branding photos for under $100 instead of paying $1,000 for a photo shoot, the decision becomes very, very easy, very quickly. Now, the next step is setting up a simple website. Now, your website only needs three things, okay? A before and after gallery, your pricing packages, and a simple upload form where customers submit their selfie, okay? Now, once they upload their photo and generate the AI images and deliver the final photos, now the final step is basically getting clients. And honestly, let me tell y'all, this is the easiest part, even though it might not sound like it, because the content sells itself, honestly. You can post before and after transformations on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Now, when people see a regular selfie turn into a professional magazine quality photo, they immediately want the same thing. You can also reach out to professionals who constantly need branding photos. So I'm talking about people like realtors, coaches, consultants, and small business owners. Now, the reason I call this a once in a lifetime opportunity is because right now most people are still beginners when it comes to AI. They do not know how to write good prompts. They do not know how to generate realistic images, which means the people who learn these tools early have a huge, huge advantage. But that advantage will not last forever, so I'm trying to tell y'all right now. As more people learn these tools, the competition is going to grow, which is why the people who start early and build their portfolio now are the ones who will dominate this space long term. Now, even if you charge just $99 per package, you would only need about 25 clients per week to reach $2,500. And once your system is working, each client might only take around 20 to 30 minutes to work. Now, that is the kind of math that can turn a simple side hustle into a real business. And this is sounding real to me. And I'm finna try it just to let y'all know. Okay? So, let me tell y'all, if you found this helpful at all, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Because every week, I'm finna break down real ways people are making money with AI, or side hustles, or work from home opportunities. I'm trying to come and give you guys no fluff, no hype, just real opportunities so y'all can make this money, because y'all know it's out there, right? So, if you like this video, share it. If you know somebody who's trying to get into a side hustle, share it with them. Like the video, it helps with the algorithm. Leave me a comment if you don't mind. And with that being said, as always, I will see y'all in the next video. All right? Bye.